Welcome, food enthusiasts. Today, we have a tantalizing topic to explore: yakitori. Get ready to embark on a journey through the mouthwatering world of this traditional Japanese grilled delicacy. And hold on tight because we'll also reveal some fascinating unknown facts about yakitori. Let's dive in. First, let's familiarize ourselves with the basics. Yakitori is a popular Japanese street food made of bite-sized pieces of marinated meat, usually chicken, skewered and grilled over charcoal. The word yakitori translates to grilled chicken, yaki, grilled, tare, chicken, but can also include other meats like pork, beef, or even vegetables. To truly understand yakitori, we need to uncover its roots. Did you know that yakitori has its origins in the Edo period of Japan, dating back to the 17th century? Initially, it was street food enjoyed by the working class. Over time, it gained popularity and became a staple in Japanese cuisine, with specialized yakitori restaurants known as yakitori popping up all around the country. To gain further insight, let's see yakitori preparation. Absolutely. The key to delicious yakitori lies in the marinade. It's important to balance the flavors, typically using a combination of soy sauce, mirin, sake, and other seasonings. The meat should be cooked just right, tender and juicy on the inside, with a slightly charred and smoky exterior. And, of course, the proper selection and quality of ingredients make all the difference. Fascinating. Now, let's move on to some lesser-known facts about yakitori. Did you know that yakitori is not just about chicken? While chicken is the most common choice, yakitori can feature a wide variety of meats, including pork, beef, duck, and even exotic options like quail or liver. This versatility allows for endless culinary exploration and caters to different taste preferences. Another interesting fact is that yakitori isn't limited to meat alone. Vegetarian or vegan options have gained popularity, offering delightful skewers of grilled vegetables like mushrooms, asparagus, bell peppers, and more. This inclusive approach ensures that everyone can savor the grilled goodness of yakitori. Now, let's tantalize our taste buds by experiencing the true essence of yakitori. Visiting a renowned yakitoriya, where witness the artistry of grilling, indulge in the flavors, and explore the incredible variety of yakitori offerings. Wow, what a fantastic culinary adventure! We've uncovered the origins, secrets, and unknown facts surrounding yakitori. A grilled delight that has captivated taste buds around the world. Next time you're craving a unique and flavorful experience, don't miss the opportunity to savor yakitori. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite yakitori experience. Until next time, keep exploring and savoring the wonders of the culinary world. Sayonara.